Hello! Today we're back with another tutorial from Drive Gist, and we're going to show you how to increase and decrease the frequency using two push buttons. This operation is referred to as up-down in LS drive manuals, and it works in such a way that pressing one push button increases the frequency while pressing the other decreases it. To enable this feature on the GIST drive, we need 3 digital input terminals. 2 of these terminals should be connected to push buttons. These push buttons are for increasing and decreasing the frequency, and 1 terminal should be directly wired to CM so that the up-down function is activated. Here, I connect 2 push buttons to P3 and P4, and I connect P5 directly to the CM terminal with a wire. Now, I need to assign the functions for each of these terminals. To do this, I go into the input parameter set and set parameter 67, which corresponds to P3 to 17 according to the manual. That is up or frequency increaser, and I set parameter 68, which corresponds to P4 to 18. That is down or frequency decreaser, and I set parameter 69, which corresponds to P5 to 27, so that the up-down function is activated. Now if I run the drive, the frequency is 0. By activating the P3 switch, the frequency increases, and by activating the P4 switch, the frequency decreases. Now if I stop the drive and start it again, the frequency starts from 0. If we want the last operating frequency to be saved after the drive stops, and for the drive to resume operation at the same previous frequency when restarted, we need to set advanced parameter 65 to 1, so that after the drive stops and is started again, it begins operating at its last working frequency. Let's test it one more time. I run the drive and use the P3 button to increase the frequency and use the P4 button to decrease the frequency. Now if I stop the drive, it saves the last operating frequency, and as you can see, when I restart it, the drive begins operating at the last frequency used. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and will use it in the industry.